In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Zoho Books plan. Whether you're looking to access more features or simply need more capacity for your growing business, upgrading your plan in Zoho Books is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step so you can make the switch with confidence. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you have your credentials handy and that you're logged into the correct account where you intend to make these changes. Once you're logged in and can see your dashboard, you're ready to move on to the next part of the process. Next, let's navigate to the subscription settings. To do this, look for the settings icon, which is shaped like a gear located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find several options related to your organization's settings, but for now, focus on selecting Manage Subscription from the list. This will take you to the right place to upgrade your plan. Upon clicking Manage Subscription, you'll be taken to a new section dedicated to handling your current subscription details. Here, you will see an option labeled Change Plan. Clicking this will redirect you to the Zoho store, where all of your plan options are laid out clearly. The Zoho store is essentially the hub where all available plans are showcased, allowing you to make an informed decision based on your business's unique requirements. Now, you'll see a series of plans: Standard, Professional, Premium, Elite, and Ultimate. Each plan comes with its own set of features tailored to meet different business needs and sizes. Take a moment to browse through these options and consider what each plan offers. Whether you're in need of additional users, enhanced automation, or advanced financial reporting, there's a plan likely suiting your needs. Be sure to check out any detailed information available for each plan to ensure it aligns with your organization's future goals. Once you've settled on the plan that best matches your needs, look for the Upgrade button located just below your selected plan. Clicking this button will initiate the upgrade process, allowing you to transition smoothly from your current plan to your new one. Upon clicking Upgrade, follow any subsequent prompts to complete the payment and confirmation process, securing your new plan immediately. That's all there is to it. Upgrading your Zoho Books plan can greatly enhance your accounting capabilities and streamline your operations, setting you up for even greater success. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your upgraded Zoho Books experience.